bad boy on the top right here, guys. Look at this thing, guys. This is looking amazing. Let me put it somewhere over here. Basic PLA green. Make sure I don't have like I like the buttons, feel nice and simple and clean. Oh, damn, what's happened? How do I open this thing? Tear the inner seal and take off the protective bag. Ah. Here we have, guys, a nice should I put it somewhere around here? You guys can see it. Just like that. Part. Oh, actually you can open up on the top. I didn't know that. Like, I've been watching a lot of videos, but I don't know. I mean, it's so sticky. Oh, we open up like that. Alright, not bad. Probably need to cut this thing up. So I'll try to be careful. No. Definitely don't want to break anything. see what's in this box right here. What's that? For spool holder. Nice metallic stuff. How about that? For scrapper. What is that? Bambu Lab 4.0. This is, I don't know, some cables. I should probably read the manual. I don't know. What is that, guys? Oh, that's the that's the monitor. I'll put that over here, just like that. This is the safety guideline. I have some, I don't know what is that. And this is it to remove the stuff. I mean, it doesn't even fit. Ah, this thing fit. So here is the user guide. Teach me how to open up this thing, right? Setting up. Here's some nice sticker. Here's some getting starting support center. But I guess we have like this manual, tool head, build plates, like accessories, Bambu bus cable 6-pin. So first of all, take off those bolts. That's what I'm going to do. Alright guys, I just think that I will stick with the manual's instruction. And I'm going to use this thing and unscrew those two bolts. I think that's the correct way, right, to do it. So it said take off the two bolts, which is what I'm gonna do. Let me like have a better shot on that. Well, for now it's pretty easy, and the bolts are not too tight. I think just like that. Long ass bolts right here. I'll put it on this side. And then that thing right here, and screw that thing, guys. It's pretty easy, but definitely time consuming. Still not. I mean, like what? Alright guys, is done. Simply now I have to pull this thing up. Let me close that thing first. I feel like I'm gonna break something right here. I'm not sure why. Let me take off this little thing right here. And then simply remove it. Oh, something is blocking. The fuck is that? The fuck is this? Alright guys, here we have guys the bad boy right here. I'm going to place this thing right here. Move this thing. Wow, it's just jiggle like that. I don't know what is that. And then removing these parts as well. Like, how do I remove that thing, guys? Should I break this thing up? We have a better view of that. Simply remove it like that, guys. No need to use violence. Oh, fuck. I mean, this thing is... Something is blocking, guys. Ah, there we go. And then what should we do? We should set up the AMS like it said. The build, guys, the build material is just top notch. So a little bit, like, it gets a little bit dirty, but overall. So what now? Maybe I should remove that thing, right? So I need to close. So I need to close top part first. And then put the AMS on top, like that. Not sure if you guys can see it. Then it said connect the cables together. I believe it's this cable right here. I'm not sure why it has like two connectors, you know. What's going on right here? So anyway, so I believe like this one goes here. Right? This one goes on the bottom. something like that. Kind of weird. Or maybe I'm wrong, guys. Maybe this part goes here and this part goes here. I mean, what the hell, guys? And this thing goes here. I've heard like a popping sound. I'm not sure if this is correct. And then we'll remove this thing. And connect it somewhere around here, right? Is it how it goes? Bamboo cable 4-pin. Yep. So I should simply do it like that. Alright, what's next? Holders. That's the holders, right? Spool holders, like that. Some stuff like that. And can you guys see clearly? Like, let me move this thing a little bit. Alright, remove that thing. Remove the screw as pictured. So I remove that screw. Screw the spool holders together. Man, what is that, guys? Man, I don't even know what is that. I'm just buying stuff without like knowing. Screw this guy here, just like it said. Screw the other guy right here. Just like that. Alright guys, so let's take off that thing. Here's the monitor, guys. So take off this little guy. Alright, and now there's an SD slot right here. I'm not sure why, guys. So then insert the FPC port by pressing on terminal as pictured. So like that. Alright, pretty easy. Put it inside and then move it to the side, just like that. What's next? Download the Bambu Handy app. Register. Alright, that's the thing I'm gonna do. Download that shit. Here's the cable right here. Nice cable for Hong Kong. I think it's the same plug for those in the UK. Take off that damn thing. Oh guys, we have a freaking problem. It's too short. It's too freaking short, guys. Like, what the fuck? Oh, fuck this shit. English. Next. Region. Should I say China? I'm from Hong Kong. You know. Let me say China. Okay, China. Whatever, guys. Alright, the printer needs to calibrate for its screen. Please ensure that the heated is unlocked before calibration. Alright, so when I move this thing back, right here, so I just want to make sure, you know, I don't want. Should I remove that thing on the bottom? I mean, how can I remove it? Fuck it, guys. Let's run this. Let's run it. Like, wow. What is this sound? It's about to explode, guys. I think it's doing something on the top right here. So I haven't removed like anything inside. It just told me to do the stuff, right? Anyway, I have removed like both pads on the bottom. Alright guys, let's put some filament inside. Let's try a filament. Remove the stuff, like what he said. Remove the plastic bed from the design before use. I don't know what that means, but I saw a video online said that should remove this plastic and put that thing inside right here, just like that. Take off, same thing, remove that nasty plastic. Put back inside. Is it like that? I'm not sure. Let's use this filament, which is like sealed like a motherfucker. Wow. So I'll take off this thing right here. Is it like that? Take off this it feels like really solid. I'm not sure what type of stuff is that. Do I have like to cut this thing up? Probably, yeah, guys. Wow, it's solid, guys. I might need a tool for that. I'm not sure what I'm doing, guys. Like, I'm just like freestyling. Alright, now let's put that thing up. And then what? Close? Should I close stuff? So, I'm going to load the filament, Bambu Lab. Material, like what is that? PLACF. Is it how it's called? PLACF. Color black. And I think temperature 200 maximum. Confirm. What happened, guys? Like, nothing happened. I think I fucked up over here, guys. Reset. Alright, guys. I think I got it. You have to push a little bit hard. You have to really like push this thing down. Choose a slot, and I think I'm ready, right? What should we do? Like, let's print something. Of course I'm gonna print this thing, right? PLA, please manually set AMS slot for the filament mark. Use AMS, yeah. Print now. There is an undefined slot mapping. Insert to press yes. This is going to be fun, guys. Alright, guys, it throw away some stuff, guys. Like, what the hell? Doesn't smell like. There's no smell, right? It's like some noodles, you know. Alright, guys, let's see how it looks. Can I touch with my hands? Like, oh, there you go, guys. Our boats. Let's freaking go. Is there any like defects? Well, I'm not sure, guys. But here's the little boat. I'm not sure if you can see it. It took me like 20 minutes to get this freaking boat. Alright, now let's try to make the scraper. I think it's that thing right here, if I'm correct. Bed scraper. And I'm going to use the green PLA basic that comes with the machine. I have a question. Should I scrap off like those stuff right here? I'm not sure. See that? Those scrap. So it feels kind of hot inside. I'm not sure why. It's probably normal, right? Anyway, let's fill this thing up. Guys, those things smell like shit. I'm not gonna lie, guys. What is that? Pack. Moisture control. I'm just going to dump this thing inside. Just like that. Then take this shit. Cut it off. Guys, I got this. You have to apply some forces. Like that. You really have to push this thing up. And there you go, guys. Just like that. Close the lid. And it will like automatically like know what kind of filament you are using. Oh, that's something cool, guys. I have the boats. You know, the motor for the boats. I don't understand, guys. Like, you know, I'm using the printer, right? And they give me like a plastic motor for the boat. I mean, what does it mean? Like, why you guys are offering me like a plastic like motor, but I'm using like this filament to make the boat? It's kind of weird, guys. Did we get scammed or what?